Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of your icons on your iPhone. So sometimes with these updates they'll just change the colors for some reason, but you can see I have all these different options right here between dark, probably the default one, and we can press the top left button and we can kind of make the background lighter or darker, and we can make the icons a little bit bigger too if they're a little bit too small. So you can just tap right there. But how you get here is very easy. Just hold down in the open space, then go to edit somewhere on the top. And if you have the iPhone SE, it's very difficult to press that. Very rare that I do that the first time. So you have to get exactly on edit, then go to customize, and you'll have these options on the bottom now. So you can just tap them. So if you want to go to, you got these different options down here. You can go to the tints and you can kind of make them whatever you want. If you want to make them pink, and then this bottom slider, I'm not sure what this bottom slider does. Then we can go to this. Oh, I don't know what I just did there. But yeah, just go ahead and look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.